tender song, guiding the heart where it belongs. Gentle streams and piano's grace carry me to a peaceful place. Lush green trees and skies so wide, nature's rhythm is my guide. The breeze it dances through the leaves, a quiet hymn it softly weaves. Close your eyes, let your worries fall. Hear the earth's most tender call. Let the sound of water soothe your soul. Let the calmness make you whole. Every note a warm embrace, every moment a sacred space. Gentle streams and piano's grace carry me to a peaceful place. Lush green trees and skies so